One of the biggest issues that salespeople face isn't closing deals. You're good at that. It's identifying companies and individuals that are actively online right now searching for your products and services. It sounds wild, but Apollo has solved this problem by introducing buying intent. They've teamed up with a whole bunch of data providers to give you the knowledge and sales intelligence that you need to identify who is searching LinkedIn, Google, YouTube, and other search engines right now for your specific products and services. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to utilize buying intent to find those individuals so you can go after the low-hanging fruit and sell faster and better with Apollo. Let's dive in. So the first thing that you want to do is move over to apollo.io, then quickly navigate to either the People tab or the Company tab. You can utilize buying intent from both search filters, but I prefer to utilize the People tab because eventually I'm going to search for those individuals within the buying intent topic companies anyway. Next, what you want to do is populate all the filters of your ICP from job titles, type of company lookalikes, the employee size, what kind of industry or keywords, and so forth that relate to your ICP. Now, if you're a sales wizard, you'll know that personas allow you to fast track this whole entire process because these are pre-built personas that you can enable every single time you've conducted a new search to save yourself time manually adding each of those filters every single time you're going to run a search. So I've got one that's related to AI companies that are in either North America or Europe, anywhere from 1 to 1,000 employees, and I'm only targeting senior individuals. And the final thing before we get started with the buying intent that I always recommend to everyone is enabling your email status as verified. If you're going to be pushing your leads into a sequence, you should definitely do this because this way you're only ever going to contact businesses and individuals where their emails are live and active. And just by implementing your filters or your persona, you can see your total results over here. I've already prospected 800 of these leads, so I'm only going to focus on the net new leads, which are leads that I haven't prospected yet. Now, we're going to move on to the buying intent. You're just going to scroll down and you can see there's a tab right here called buying intent. If it's your first time using buying intent, the interface over here will be slightly different. It will give you a little bit of information on how buying intent works, and it will say get started. For those who have used it previously, you'll just go ahead and click the edit pen. If you're on Apollo's free plan, you'll have 1 or 2 buying intents that you can utilize every 24 hours. If you're on a more premium plan, like the Pro or Organization plan, you'll have up to 12 buying intents that you can switch from every 24 hours. To figure out what kind of buying intent keywords your customers will be entering into LinkedIn, Google, or any other search engine, you have to put yourself in their mindset. If they're searching for a recruitment agency, are they just going to write recruitment agency? If they're searching for influencers, what are they going to write? If they need someone to do their whole entire rebrand, are they going to write creative agency? If you think like that and you enter those words into Apollo's buying intent, it will give you a list of relevant and suitable buying intents that you can utilize for your search. However, if you can't figure out what buying intent topics to select and you have access to Apollo's AI assistant, which you can see right over here, you can just simply write what buying intent topic should I use for my ICP that is searching for whatever that service or product is, recruitment agency, influencers, creative agency, or whatever. It will then take a look at your ICP based on your AI content center that you should have populated, and it will give you the right kind of topics: LinkedIn recruiter, sales nav, employment agencies, contingency staffing, marketing solutions, and so forth. Click that edit pen and start typing in the right kind of keywords or phrases that you think your customers are searching for. So if you are a law firm, you can just simply write the word law firm and it will give you a couple of options that you can select for. If you're a recruitment agency, just type in recruitment and then it will give you a whole bunch of topics that you can go ahead and choose from. If you do sales training for LinkedIn, You have to kind of think outside the box a little bit and maybe write LinkedIn Sales Navigator, because that's the premium sales product that they have. And anyone who's searching for that, you'll be able to deliver your training for them. If you create content for businesses on the LinkedIn platform, just by typing in stuff like sponsored messages, sponsored updates, sponsored content, those are the right things to target, because any of the companies who are searching for those kind of things, they probably have an ad budget for marketing and content promotion, and you'll be able to reach them very, very, very quickly. For the purpose of this exercise, as you see, we had 22,000 leads within my ICP. I'm going to go ahead and select Sales Nav as an example. I'm just going to go ahead and check that box, and I can see out of 221,000 individuals, there are 8 people that I can go ahead across 5 companies that I can go ahead and prospect today. If you're a sales lead gen agency and you offer lead generation or sales services specifically on the LinkedIn platform, any companies that are searching for sponsored updates or sponsored messages and within your ICP are definitely the low-hanging fruit that you should be targeting. You can see over here 844 out of 222,000 individuals have appeared, and there are so many companies that you can go ahead and target. One important thing to notice is that if you go ahead and highlight the bar chart right next to the company name of any of the individuals, it will show you when the buying intent has been triggered. So for this particular individual at this mobile telematics company, within the past week, they've been actively searching for LinkedIn sponsored messaging. So maybe they're going to run a Black Friday deal or a Cyber Monday deal, or maybe even a Christmas deal. You can go ahead, reach out to that individual and help them with their lead gen. One more example, you're a business searching for a creative agency to do your whole entire rebrand. You just select creative agency, you can select your buying intent to high, and from 222,000 leads, again, roughly around 795 individuals with an extremely high buying intent for creative agency that you can reach out to. If you have Apollo, you no longer need to throw stuff against the wall and hope that someone opens the message and books a call with you. Your sales process can be highly intelligent, can be AI driven, and very targeted to help you find the low-hanging fruit that has a buying intent for your products and services. So go ahead and click the link below and start utilizing Apollo's buying intent today. And if you grab a meeting within the next couple months, come back to this video and detail your case study in the comments below. Thank you for watching this. If you do want more sales related content from the Apollo team, feel free to like and subscribe. See you soon. Bye.